We should be back on. All right. Consider lowering. Ooh, things are going crazy right now. Hold on. Where's my. Close this. See what he's doing. He hasn't figured out how to do the thing yet. There you go. Look at he's learning. He's learning, chat. He's learning. Look at him. He's learning. Hold on, let's see. He's drawing these shoes right now for our puppy. He's learning, chat. He's learning. He's learning. Let's see. Let's see what he does. Let's see what my nephew cooks up real quick. He doesn't know we're watching. Let's see what he cooks up real quick. Let's see what he cooks up real quick. Interesting brush. I don't know if he knows he can switch it, but all right. Oh, you know what else I wanted to watch? And I have it up right here. Where is this one? Yeah, we're gonna watch this because we got to finish this. We did episode 1, but we didn't do episode 2. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on. What scared me? All right. Where did OBS? There it is. Everything's going. All right. All right. Blooms. Musta Blooms. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I'm super excited. We are going to be checking out On Cue Part 2. I think this has Mika, Stacy, Joe, and Gwen, I think. Hey, sorry, I accidentally closed the stream. But yeah, so we're gonna be watching On Cue. Super excited because I loved the first batch that came out. And yeah. Go ahead and jump right into it. Come along for the ride. I ain't never missed my cue. I still intro goes so hard. Oh, we got Mika first.
Hello kapamilya! Ako po si MJ Felipe. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang special interview series natin dito sa On Cue. We have another Beanie member, Mika!
Hi! What's up, guys?
How are you?
I'm great.
Nakapagpahinga na ba si Mika?
Ooh!
Feeling ko, oo. Pero, kasi ako yung type na I wanna really explore and like go around with my own time. So, syempre, I'm with the schedule.
Right. Pero okay, so fun and light questions lang naman to, Mika. I'm so curious, why you red? Ano yung buhok mo? Kasi it's so striking. It's such a standout.
Right.
Kasi dati black naman yung hair mo, no? So why did you decide to make it red?
I actually have been wanting to dye my hair red since I think the era before Carrera. So before that pa, I wanted to dye it red.
Way back pa.
Yeah, way back pa.
Okay.
But then in-approve na siya yung peg. Pero sabi nila way back pa.
Okay.
But then
To a reference or inspiration used to guide the overall aesthetic or look. Okay.
in-approve na siya yung peg. Pero sabi nila mas
okay.
Like when I missed, kasi I was in HIH. So nung nag-dye ng hair nila, wala ako noon.
Okay.
Tapos pagbalik ko, sabi nila, wag na. Like, keep it black muna.
Okay.
So I was so sad that time. Pero siguro perfect time siya nung nagkarera kami. And red is my favorite color. So every time talaga.
Love it.
I know. I'm curious, mahirap ba siyang i-maintain?
Oh my God.
Diba?
Bawal ako mag-white tops pag pinapawisan, anything light. And then yung nails ko, pag white or anything light, nagiging pink siya or red. Because when
I do, you know, I love Mika's hair now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I love Mika's hair now. Right? I love it. But I do, there is a big portion of me that misses Mika's red hair.
shower. Pero Pero I retouch my hair siguro like once or twice a month.
Yeah.
Tapos
Ah.
every time I
I didn't know
shower,
that's
talaga
something that needs-
nag-bleed lahat. It's always red.
So parang yung sheets.
Ay, hindi. I blow dry naman
Okay.
before I
Okay,
sleep.
okay.
Yun na nga yung na-miss ko. Yung nakatulog akong medyo basa pa buhok. Pero hindi na pwede.
Now, is that only
Yun ang
because
nasa isip ko,
her
parang,
hair
oh
color
my
is
God.
red that it
Siguro
bleeds,
nahihirapan
or that
si
it like
Mika
it
yung
runs a lot,
red
or
color niya.
Yeah. I mean, hindi naman...
High maintenance ka kaya
Yeah.
sa hair.
Hindi naman sa mahirap. Pero it's like, madali rin akong makilala.
Yes. That's
So,
true.
so I go out. It's like I have to like
she had to like cover everything.
pwedeng
I still
magano.
remember.
Oh.
What was the interview, chat? What was the interview? Where they were? Was it for the merch? Was it for the merch? Where like we had Mika with her hair change, Malloy with her hair change, and I think it was Sheena with her hair change, right? And like they like had the masks on, they had the hoodies up, they had like the glasses on so that you couldn't see anything. But yeah, like that's when she says that, that's kind of like how I envision how Mika would have to go out, is like full, like almost like hazmat suit type thing, to where
Kahit cap lang, hindi pwede.
Oo.
So I saw Beanieverse, like electric guitar ka doon.
Oh my God.
loved
Ano ba
it.
talaga matagal mo ng talent ng
Hindi.
Yun lang yun? Doon lang?
Doon lang.
Oh.
Parang, I was like, okay, I want to show them something I've never done.
Okay.
Okay.
And I really like anime, and I think this tune is very iconic.
Right.
So, ayun, yun yung pinili ko. And since limited lang syempre yung slot for our solos,
Right.
we have to like compress it. So
Right.
parang
Right.
konting parts lang kinuha ko. And
I hope we get like
yeah, I was just
some type of like
I just
duo or
learned it
solo
for-
or like
for
a
the
quad
Beaniverse. And like,
performance
ang hirap nga
for
kasi the
the
guitars
concert.
I'm using, it's not mine. They're not mine. And like, hindi ko siya napapractice every time we rehearse for concerts. Kasi medyo hassle na may instrument ka. And like, hindi naman lagi nandun si Sir Ray.
He's musical director for their Beanieverse concert.
Right.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Ray. Okay.
Pero you have a guitar at home.
I have a guitar at home, but it's like a, pang practice lang.
Pang-practice
ganon.
lang.
Hindi naman siya yung, kasi iba-iba yung lahat ng guitars eh. The size of it, the level,
Yeah.
lahat-lahat. So parang every time you play it, iba-iba yung feeling. So
Right.
doon ako medyo kinabahan kasi I was like, iba yung guitar. Okay.
Pero what's
That
your
was,
proudest
I did not
piece
know
na
that.
kaya
I could
mong
see that.
i-strum or i-gitara ng with all confidence?
Siguro hindi sa electric guitar.
Hindi sa electric guitar.
Hindi. Like sa normal guitar lang. Doon
Okay.
ako masanay.
What song?
I would probably pick Can't Help Falling in Love.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, or like Leaving on a Jet Plane.
Leaving on a
Yeah,
Jet
yung mga ganyang
Plane.
songs.
Good choices. Double checking. It's your choice. Okay, mahirap na eh. Pero alam mo, napansin ko, ang daming nagkaka-crush sa'yo because of that. You know, the look, the astig, the angas. Ano masasabi mo doon? Ano reaction mo dyan?
Thank you.
Blushing, grabe.
Makeup.
Makeup. Come on.
Pero, di ko rin expect. Like, for me, I guess that they expected an astig
Right.
performance. And obviously, like, I want to also show different sides of myself.
You did.
Yeah, so I'm grateful that they enjoyed it naman.
Yeah. Your brother is a soccer player, tama ba?
Yeah.
O, anong feeling na pareho na kayong high profile ang mga...
High profile.
ang status or trabaho?
um,
I met him.
You met him?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
I was
How-
the one who assisted him papunta sa backstage para
Oh,
sa
thank you.
family
Okay,
photo
okay,
videos.
okay.
Pero nakikita ko rin siya sa TikTok, no? Parang, anong reaction niya?
feeling niya. Joke lang. Hindi, kasi
Right,
there was
yeah.
one time, kakabalik na lang from US.
Okay.
And then, he wasn't like really aware of how nag-boom yung Beanie.
Okay.
And we went out to a mall. Like, gusto lang namin mag-family bonding. And I didn't wear a cap or a mask. Kasi I was like,
Uh-oh.
whatever.
Yeah.
Bahala na with family.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
And then we were at like this gaming place. And let's just say like there were a good 20 minutes and then another 20 minutes of like picture taking.
Okay.
Whoa.
And then my brother was like, bro, like I don't want to go out with you anymore. So every time we go out, now he's always reminding me like, Mika, where's your hoodie? Where's your cap? Where's your
Right.
mask?
Right.
He's like that. Because like he doesn't, alam mo yun, like he wants everyone to enjoy naman.
Right. Parang
Right.
na-accept na niya na iba na si Mika na ngayon.
But he's
But see,
very,
that has to-
very supportive.
Right.
Like,
But see, that has to be like another hard thing to kind of adapt to, you know, is the fame, you know, even like like taking Mika out of like that, right? Like family wise, you go out with your family, and it's like not only is now Mika having to deal with it, but like the family members have to deal with it as well. You know, they have to like, you know, and so you can really see like you start to understand a lot when it comes to, you know, why family member or why like when they want to go out, it's so hard for them to go out and just enjoy themselves with their families and stuff. It has a game, and I saw some highlights, and he's pretty good. Ooh, okay, yeah.
they were crying.
love
my
soccer, by the
whole
way.
family, they were
Really?
crying.
Why?
Yeah. During the Beanieverse concert. That's why like when I saw them cry, I was like,
Oh.
Naiyak ka lang.
yeah. So parang,
Aw.
yun
Tears
yung-
of joy yun, no?
yeah.
And, you know, parang proud sila.
Yeah. It was like, it's my weak spot talaga when I see them cry.
Mm.
Okay.
Especially my dad, he never
Right.
Ah.
Do you miss that? Yung pagiging anonymous?
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
I miss it so much.
Inaagala, nakakaisip
Yeah.
mag-isa.
Yeah.
I mean, before, it's weird nga talaga. Once you get it, it's like, sometimes there are times na, ay, ito ba talaga yung, this is what I really wanted. Kasi like before, I was like, oh, walang nakaka-recognize sa amin. But then now it's like, wow, nakaka-recognize.
Right.
But then you realize also, shucks, yung privacy ko, it's
Wala na.
very hard.
Right.
And syempre, di mo naman mapipigilan yung tao. Like, if idol ka nila, it's respect. Like, respect, you know, like, obviously, let's take a photo. There's
That's
nothing
right.
wrong with that.
That's right. So, nababalance mo na siya now.
Yes.
Good. So, nababalance mo na siya now.
Yes.
Good. That's good.
Her answer, yeah, her slight, yes, yeah.
Good.
I guess. I
Oh,
think.
I guess. I
was gonna
Pero
say the
at
little
same time, I'm
hesitation.
not yet kind
Yeah.
of like used to it. It's
It'll
like
take a while. It will take
I'm
a
just
while.
like, okay, let's take a photo. I just smile and then okay, let's take a photo.
Aside from that, what other things do you miss doing na hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon?
I'd say like just going out
Going
and
out.
like being freely like doing whatever you want kasi syempre ngayon a lot of people can misinterpret
Right.
like actions
Right.
with other
Right.
people.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
You know, like
Yep.
baka magawa ng
We've
issues.
been seeing that a
parang-
lot.
Let's say kasi ako, when I'm with my friends, I'm just like, like, gano'n, like, wala akong, and like, akbayan.
Worry-free,
Yeah, worry-free, gano'n. So, parang ngayon, for sure, it's different na kasi, the people who watch us, not everyone will like, not everyone actually like know us and actually like know our behavior and that ganito talaga kami, gano'n. So, baka namin misinterpret. But you
That's
know,
right.
it's like, it's the internet, it's social media, it's how it really is. I don't care. Okay. Like,
I know. But
Like,
I'm so
eh,
happy
whatever,
for you,
whatever.
Mika, for the whole girls. Grabe na yung nyo, the level of success that you guys have received.
Still a long way to go, though.
Long way.
Mm, I love it.
All right. Thank you very much.
That interview was fun. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That interview was fun. Again, I love the fact that we talked a little bit about like, you know, things that she misses doing, you know, because I feel like they have to like put a lot of that stuff up on the shelf because again, like she said, she goes out. Yeah, could you imagine having to put on a hoodie and a mask and sunglasses every time you go out, you know? Could you imagine? Oh, Junior. Dames, what's up, brother? Here, chat. You guys want to see what Junior's doing now? Okay, there he goes. He hasn't figured it out. Oh, poor boy. Poor boy. Maybe in a little bit I'll tell him how to do it. But, you know, I could only imagine what that like feeling is like. All right, we're jumping into Stacy's interview. I'm super excited. Mika's interview was so much fun.
Alright, we're still doing our special interview series here sa On Cue. Ako po si MJ Felipe. We have with us, Staku! Stacy! Paano nyo na papanatili sa grupo na yung how to remind everyone na, hey, health natin, hey, kulang ka sa sleep, parang may ganun ba? You look after each other.
Opo, parang kunwari kapag may ganap po kami, tapos yung isa parang may sakit, sinasabihan na po namin agad na if hindi kaya, wag nang ipilit.
Okay.
Yun po, parang
Love
mas
that, by the
importante
way.
po talaga yung health kasi kailangan po, kunwari kapag may upcoming ganap kami na big,
Right.
so dapat mas alagaan na namin yung sarili namin para kapag dumating yung araw na yon, healthy po kami lahat.
Right. I saw your mom. I met your mom.
I'm so
Right.
I'm so sorry. I love the fact the cutest thing ever is when he says like, "Oh, I met your, I saw your brother. I met your brother. I met your mom. I saw your mom," and just the smile on their face, is like, "Aw."
I saw your mom. I met your mom after, diba? After Beanieverse. Tungtuwa ako kasi sobrang proud siya sa'yo. How is she, parang ano ba, embracing this life of Stacy?
Actually, nahihiya raw po si Mami nung na-interview siya and parang na-speechless po siya. Pero ayun, feel ko po talaga kay Mami na talagang proud po siya sa akin. And nakakwento niya po sa akin before na pangarap niya rin daw po ito. Gusto niya mag-artista before. Kasi yun talaga yung parang dream niya and happy daw siya na sa akin po nangyayari yung mga pangarap niyang yun.
Mm-mm. At ikaw ang tinatawag nila ngayong the
Pink
Pink
Queen.
Queen. The
Opo.
Kikay. the
I'm
Kikay
sorry.
of the
Stacy's little
Pink
laugh right
Queen.
here, adorable. Love it.
The
Opo.
Kikay of the group.
Lady usually with a very
Also, the
Opo.
geek guy, very feminine, trendy lady, usually with a very bubbly personality. That is
the Kikay of the group. Also, I wanted
That
to
is
get your
facts.
reaction na yung mga bata love na love.
Ang cute kasi mahilig din po talaga
Nikki Perez, Beanie's dance coach, choreographer, Beanie's vocal coach. Because I was also
To get your reaction na yung mga bata love na love.
Ang cute kasi mahilig din po talaga ako sa bata. Sa mga bata like yung anak ni Coach
Ah,
Nikki, nila Coach
uh-huh.
Ana. Ako po lagi yung parang pinupuntahan nila kapag ano. Kasi feeling ko kasi parang ako yung very kikay talaga. Alam niyo yung mga bata po lalo yung mga babae na gusto yung mga pambabaeng mga ganap, ganon. Yung mga pinakakikay talaga. And ayun, mahilig po talaga ako sa bata. Kaya feeling ko na-feel nila na ako mahilig sa bata. Kaya
Right.
gusto nila ako.
Meron din ba, so having said that, meron din bang pressure na parang kailangan maganda yung image, wholesome, kasi love ng mga kids?
To be honest, hindi naman po ako napapressure kasi feeling ko yun naman po talaga.
I was gonna say that's oh come on. I was gonna say that feels like it would be like Stacy's kind of thing. Like that's her personality, right?
po kami
I
and very
know.
friendly naman po yung branding namin.
I know. The group is very unserious. Yun yata yung parang isa sa mga brand or
Opo.
image ng Beanie.
That's-
no?
yeah.
Yun dun po talaga kami
That's what we all
pinaka-
love about Beanie.
Nakilala po.
Right.
Nakilala po talaga kami sa humor namin, sa kanal humor namin,
No.
yung mga ina-edit ng blues
Wait.
humor namin, sa
Humor, raw, unfiltered.
kanal
Okay.
humor namin.
I think
yung mga ina-edit
you
ng
guys
blues
told me
na
that before.
Beanie Core na yung pinaka nakakatawang moments namin sa group, ganon. And ayun, yun naman yung pinaka grateful kami kasi buti na lang may pagkakaugali kaming eight.
Correct.
Yun
Wala
po
na
talaga.
pipikon.
Wala pong pikon sa amin.
Paano nyo na-maintain naman yung ano nyo, skincare?
Ooh, this is a good question. I wish I would have taken care of my skin long time ago.
Masipag po sa skincare. Pero buti na lang, binihiyaan kami ni Lord ng okay na skin. Well, minsan di po talaga may, kahit tulad ngayon, may ano po ako, kasi di po talaga may iwasan minsan pag kulang sa tulog,
That's
pag
right.
stress.
Traveling,
Opo,
nag-iiba
ayun
yung
po.
weather.
Tapos minsan, kunwari kapag everyday kami minamake-upan,
Right.
napapagod po yung skin namin. So minsan, di talaga may iwasan yung breakouts, ganun. Pero inaalagaan naman po namin yung skin.
Stacy, paano mo naman minamanage ngayon yung privacy, life outside Beanie?
Ako po, hindi po talaga ako palalabas
Okay.
talaga. Bahay lang po ako, bahay, Beanie. lumalabas kami, kumakain kami nila mami, yung ibang friends ko rin na from province, pag nagpupunta po sila dito, lumalabas po kami. Pero ayoko po kasi yung nagpo-post po. Di rin po ako sobrang pala-post. Kaya gusto ko po palaging private lang po yung mga pinupuntahan rin po namin. Wala po masyadong tao.
I guess that's also a good way to get.
Ayoko rin naman po ma-experience yung parang nangyari kala Ate Ayan, Ate Maloy na talagang dinumog po sila.
Yeah.
Stacey, I'm curious, prior to this, were you really a performer?
Ako po, church girl po talaga ako. Yes. Pag may worship po, nagtatamborin kami.
So you sing and perform in the church?
Opo.
Sunday school? Yung ba yung mga
Sunday,
ganyan?
opo. And before po, sa school din po namin, active po ako sa mga yung mga event po, like
Right.
yung pageants, gano'n. Tas
Ano ka, pageant? Kasi you have the height eh.
Opo.
Oo.
Pinush din po ako.
I want to know. I want to know. I'm short.
Opo,
Active ka sa
girl.
church.
Lolo ko po, pastor po ang lolo ko.
Wow.
I used to be very active in church, right? I used to go to church every Sunday, Awanas, Wednesday, all that stuff. And then one day I was at church and it was just like, for some reason, there was like two groups at church, right? That were like feuding with each other. They were trying to, I don't know what they were doing, but it basically started this big old fight. And after that, I was like, you know what? But of course, you can't judge everyone on one bad experience. But
So, anong reaction nila ngayon that our Stacey
I just haven't gone
girl
back to
is-
church in a long time.
Sobrang proud po sila lalo na po nung umuwi ako last year. Sobrang proud po sila. Like, yung ministry namin talagang very proud kasi sila rin po yung nag-pray for me. Sila po yung talagang mga prayer request ko po sa kanila ko po sinasabi. Grabeng grateful po for
Right. You miss home?
Super miss home po.
What do you miss doing sa bahay?
Wala miss ko. Yung kapag nagluluto po, Christmas. So,
Christmas.
super miss ko po ang Christmas kasi si Mami, sobrang hilig po niyang mag-design ng mga
Ooh,
table
okay.
po.
Ah,
Christmas,
table
gano'n,
setup.
Yes, mga
Okay.
setup po, yung mga ginagawa po niya na. Kasi every year po parang may theme kami. Kunwari, Candy Christmas, gano'n. mga gano'n.
Oh! Ano kayang theme nyo ngayong...
This year po, di ko
Beanie
pa po
Christmas
alam.
yan.
Beanie, Cherry Christmas.
Cherry Christmas. Sa grupo ninyo, kanino ka pinaka-close?
Sa group, actually, ang sinasabi po nila, well, close ko po silang lahat, pero
That's
siguro
right.
yung pinaka one call away ko talaga si Mika.
Mika.
Kasi siya po talaga yung parang kunwari niyaya kong lumabas or kapag may problema ako ganun, siya po yung hihingan ko ng advice.
Right.
Pupuntahan niya po ako sa condo kapag yung
That's a good question. Who is that one call away type of person that I have? I would have to say my brother's excluded because he lives all the way in Oregon. I have to exclude my brother. So it'd probably be my buddy Torres, I think, would be mine.
hindi ko kaya mag-isa, ganun. Siya po talaga yung one call away ko.
Wow. Pero close ka sa lahat.
Yes, close po kaming lahat.
Gusto ko daw lang itanong din na, parang natanggap mo na ba na gumawa kayo ng kasaysayan in the music industry?
Sa ngayon po, parang lahat po kaming Bini, hindi pa po talaga nagsisink in lahat ng achievements namin. Pero slowly, parang nagsisink in na rin po sa amin na, oo nga po pala, parang like yung Pantropiko, sobrang naging hit po siya dito sa Pinas. And siguro po, every summer, yun po yung maririnig. So parang nag-a-agree naman po.
How
kami sa
much
sinasabi ng mga tao
does
na,
Pantropico play
ayun,
during, like,
we made
especially during
history
summer?
That's right. And
How much does
you're
it play?
grateful, of course, the whole group
Yes.
with all the blessings. Thank you, Stacey!
Thank you,
Salamat!
Ooh. Hold on. Again.
Hi kapamilya, ako po si MJ Felipe and you're still watching this special interview
From
series
supermarket
sa On Cue.
to
I'm
malls,
with the
even on
master, the
public.
leader of Bini,
Yeah.
Joanna!
They play it every
Question,
day.
Jo, mahirap ba maging leader ng Bini?
A lot.
Honestly, hindi
Or it's
po.
just a tag or something?
Meron
Uh-huh.
kasi kaming lahat kasi kami meron kaming qualities ng pagiging leader.
Okay.
Though syempre may mga times po na kailangan talaga
I could
ako
never
yung
be a leader.
titimbang.
I could never be a
Kasi
leader.
syempre, halimbawa,
I can never be leader.
half ng group, ganito yung gusto, yung kalahati eto. So
Right.
parang, dun ako mahihirapan, di ba?
Ah.
Minsan naman, ako lang naiiba
Free
yung opinion,
messaging
lahat sila
calling
ganito. Pero when
that
that
allows
happens,
users to
kasi
send
parang,
text, make voice
ang
and
ginagawa
video
ko,
calls,
kasi
and
syempre,
share
like,
oh, okay. Blooms. Up the coconut man.
so Viber lang kami palagi.
Right. Okay.
Ang ginagawa
Okay.
ko,
I like that
message ko
rule.
talaga yung thoughts ko. Para lang alam nila.
Right.
Kahit na majority wins yung rule namin as a
Right,
group. Para
right.
lang alam nila na girls ganito, kailangan nyo maintindihan to. Nakikinig po kasi sila. Kaya,
Right. Yun ba yung key ingredient why you girls are so bonded together?
kasi feeling ko
Ooh,
very
yeah,
important talaga
I
yung
sometimes
communication
forget
po
that
eh.
Joe
Kasi
is
gets ko
younger
din yung
than-
hirap for them to accept guidance sa mas younger sa kanila, 'di ba? Parang alam mo yun, may ganun eh. Pero wala, ilang years na kami magkakasama.
Yeah. Feeling ko parang na-test talaga kayo ng panahon,
True.
ng mga challenges nyo as a group. And now, ito na nga tayo. It's a different era for...
Wait, I missed that part.
Paano nyo kinakaya ang tight skin?
Oh, autopilot. Okay, autopilot.
Siguro may times na nag-autopilot. Napag-usapan mo natin
Napag-usapan
to.
na.
Siguro
Right.
may times na nag-autopilot. Napag-usapan mo natin
Napag-usapan
to.
natin yan.
Parang nag-autopilot na lang kami na syempre ibibigay sa amin yung schedule. So parang kami, doon na lang kami nakafocus. So, okay, ano schedule bukas? Ganun.
Right.
Tapos hindi mo namamalayan, oh my gosh, nagawa natin yung isang buong linggo na to na ganun.
Baga parang kayo mismo nagugulat kayo
Opo.
na kinakaya nyo. Pero parang nyo na maintain yung, alam kong rest is important, pero yung health lang nung lahat. Katulad mo, you just had a health scare, di ba? So,
Right.
ngayon, ano
Took me a
yung
long time.
learning mo doon?
Took me a long time.
Ako talaga,
to kind of
natutunan
learn
ko,
that
pag hindi
one,
mo talaga
right? 'Cause
kaya,
I always-
huwag mong pilitin.
That's right.
I don't
Opo.
I never wanted to like
Kasi mas
let
ano,
people
mas-
down or disappoint anyone, right? So it was like I would go out of my way or I'd go and do stuff for people or help or do things like that, you know. And even like with, you know, I have chronic neck pain, headaches and stuff like that, and it's just tiredness and things like that. And it was, yeah, you know, sometimes you have to take care of yourself. Sometimes it's okay to say, you know,
Pero
to
yung health
to-
lang nung lahat. Katulad mo, you just had a health
Yeah.
scare, di ba? So,
it's okay.
ngayon, ano yung learning mo doon?
Ako talaga, ang natutunan ko, pag hindi mo talaga kaya, huwag mo nang pilitin.
That's
Again,
right.
what I'm going
Opo.
through is nothing like they would go
Kasi
through.
mas magsasuffer lang yung group pag halimbawa pinilit mo ngayon. So parang mas isipin mo yung pangmatagalan.
Okay,
Sabi nga
Joe.
nila, kung
Okay.
mako na nga, pinagpapahinga natin, what more, tao pa. Di ba?
Si Lord nga nagpahinga ng
We ain't
Diba?
peaking. We ain't
Oo.
peaking now.
Pero
Come
iba
on
rin
now.
yung sinasabi,
We're still going
strike
up.
while the iron is hot.
Yun.
Kasi medyo nagpipeak kayo now.
Opo.
So, it's really, a balance. It's a juggle of things, time management lang and everything. After ko i-upload yung picture ng dalawa ni Kyle, nag-surface yung eksena na panood ko na, yung sa kadenang ginto. Do you miss acting?
I need to watch these.
Diyos ko, itsura ko doon. Pero opo, talagang nakita ko rin po yun eh. Wala lang, na-miss ko lang yung taping days noon. Though, ano lang yun eh, saglit lang din po ako doon.
Right,
And
right.
before pa yun ng Star Hunt auditions, yung akala din kasi nung iba, part din ng audition ko kung bakit ako napasali doon. Pero before pa yun eh.
Grabe, nag-service na panood ko kagabi. Tapos parang I was like, ito pala yung sinasabi ni Joe sa akin na acting niya. Na parang si Cassie.
Opo! Nainis ako! Parang wala
Hindi cringe
lang.
ka?
Opo,
Cringe ka?
Tapos parang nakakaya na kasama ko sila ngayon na parang, and natandaan po ni Kyle kasi nag-uusap kami ni Kyle kagabi.
I'm sorry.
na-
I love these
natandaan
interviews
araw po
because it's
din.
literally like just two
Iba na,
friends
ibang
sitting on the
Jonathan
couch
ba yun, Kyle?
just talking. Like it really,
Ibang joke.
you know, like it really is. It's literally like, see, I'm telling you, doing an interview with Beanie has to be just amazing.
Tuwanan na itong kausap mo ngayon, di ba?
Queen of Hearts. Okay.
Dream collaboration na gustong-gustong gawin mo, Joe.
Ooh, okay.
With Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Ay, talaga. Is this a song or an eksena?
Eksena
Ay,
talaga.
talaga. Bakit sikat?
Alam mo, malaking part talaga na kung sino ko ngayon si ate. Kasi parang buong pagkabata ko sa kanya talaga umikot mundo ko. Ultimo commercials niya sa ulo ko yung mga
Right.
Ewan ko, sobrang baliw po talaga ako kay Ate Kat.
Well, it's a good choice.
Yes.
Diba? No? Iba rin ang pinagdaanan ni Catherine and
Ooh.
now she's working on a very, very big project. Ano yan? Fingers crossed kami dyan. Fingers crossed. About singing naman. Sino yung dream collab mo?
Singing. Miss Yang Constantine.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Parang yung
I love that.
range lang ng boses niya, parang dun ako
Sarah
very
G,
relaxed.
okay?
Right.
Parang, ang angas kasi.
Iba rin.
Ang angas talaga ni Miss Yang. Apo. And
Andito
Sarah
siya,
G.
di ba?
Nandito po siya.
Asap. Yeah. She just arrived. Yeah. So, it's a good opportunity
Yes.
na mag-usap kayo
Opo.
about it. Baka possible.
Ooh, that's a
mangyari yan,
crazy
diba?
question.
Kailan ka huling
Hold on,
kinilig?
I just realized
Huling
the question that was asked.
Wait lang. Wait
Yeah.
lang.
Okay.
Huling kinilig.
Last felt thrilled. Ooh.
Possible mangyari yan, di ba? Kailan ka huling kinilig?
Huling kinilig. Wait lang. Wait lang. Huling kinilig. Ano bang last na pinanood ko? Feeling ko yung Cat din po.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Yes. Ay, hindi. Kasi nakikita ko nagtitaping na silang.
Yes, oo.
So nakakita ko, nasuspoil na ako.
Okay. Oh, fangirl pa rin pala si Jo. Up to now. Kahit na ikaw, marami ka ng fans, ikaw din mismo fangirl ka
Ay,
pa rin.
opo. Diyos ko talaga. Basta Ate Catherine, anything about her.
Right. Okay.
Ooh.
Ano yung mga bagay na nagagawa mo noon na hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon that you miss the most?
Gagawa ko noon. Makauwi ng Laguna.
Okay.
Hindi ko Christmas po yung last uwi ko.
Okay.
And nung Pasko, syempre, parang
I got hiccups.
hindi pa ganito.
Yeah.
So, parang ako, nakakurious
Right,
ako, paano
right.
kaya, pag umuwi ulit ako?
It's gonna be crazy.
Yun po, pero syempre, nakakamiss yung makakalabas ako with friends.
Right.
ganun.
Ano ba ginagawa mo sa Laguna? Parang,
Ay, gala talaga ako.
Ay, gala?
Every day.
okay.
Kumbaga, halimbawa, 1 week kaming pahinga, nakaschedule, ito yung group of friends kung ganito,
Yeah.
family time, ganon po.
You miss them? All of them?
Of course!
Sa high school barkada?
Man.
Po.
You miss them? All of them?
Course!
Sa high school barkada? Diba?
Kasi hanggang grade 10 lang ako nakapag-aral sa alam talagang may kaklase
Tofu?
ako.
Okay.
Pagkaing Laguna, na-miss
I
mo
don't think
rin.
I've had tofu.
Ano?
I don't think
Meron
I've
kang
had
bibili ng tokwa
tofu.
doon.
I remember
Hindi ko lang alam kung
when I
bukas
went
pa yun ngayon.
to
Basta iba
Louisiana.
yung tokwa.
I think, tried to get me to try tofu, but I think I chickened out. I don't remember. It is on one of my lists of things to try, though. Young coconut.
Tapos, yema cake.
Ay, ang
Again,
sarap!
coconut. I've never had like.
Ay.
Ay, ang sarap!
The
Mainit-init pa!
original.
Oo!
Yes.
Ay, nako. Sana makabalik ka
Opo.
ng Laguna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Last question na lang is, what is your major dream in life? Jo? Anong major dream ni Master?
Ako, syempre, for myself,
For
them.
yourself?
Ooh.
For myself.
I would love to see Joe. I would love to see Joe in
gusto
more
Gusto ko
more
gawin
acting.
yung first love ko, yung acting po.
Mhm.
Basta, iba yung
Reporting,
puso
okay.
ko sa acting po. Pero syempre,
Higher
alam
order
ko madami
thinking
pa ako
skills.
dapat matutunan pa
Thinking
doon. And yung
big. Okay.
reporting.
Ang dami mong hats! Grabe! Wala akong masabi.
Ooh.
Reporting din.
Pero kung i-weigh mo siya
Man, Joe's
lahat,
getting some hard questions.
acting, reporting, being a
Ah,
journalist,
Joe's getting some hard
being a
questions.
singer-dancer, ano yung mabigat sa puso mo ngayon?
Syempre performing po.
Same.
Performing.
Same.
Yeah. Because that's your life now. Diba? Well, sana magkaroon ka ng time to explore the newsroom
Yes! Sana,
and
sana.
the acting
Here we
again.
go.
Thanks, John! Thank you, Master!
That was fun. That was fun. I think we still have Gwen, but clearly, as you can see, my internet is not enjoying whatever is going on right now. There we go. All right, there we go. But yeah, no, that was fun. That was fun. We still have Gwen coming up.
Hindi na siya
Yeah. Because that's your life now. Diba? Well, sana magkaroon ka
One
ng
thing
time
I
to
do hope,
explore
listen,
the
as,
new
as
food.
much as I am looking forward to this
And,
world tour and
the
I'm
acting again.
excited for
Thanks,
it,
John!
I hope
Thank you,
afterwards,
Master!
I hope they get
Dahil
a
hindi
good
na siya
break
number one, pati si Cassie,
to just
napapahamak
rest
niya.
Hindi naman
and
talaga niya deserve na maging number one to begin with. Nagmamagaling na Mondragon.
Kung may gusto kayo sabihin, sabihin nyo sa harapan ko.
What's wrong, Cassie?
Joe!
Madumi
Joe!
ba? Bakit hindi mo ipalinis si janitor friend mo?
Joe!
Diba? Close kayo nun? Hindi na. Kaya ko namang linisin to eh.
No! Go ahead! Yeah. I love it.
Hi, Kamamili.
Oh!
Ako po si MJ
Joe
Felipe,
Bully,
and
I
you're still-
know!
Hi, Kamamili. Ako po si MJ Felipe, and you're still watching this special interview series on Q. We have with us another Mini member, Gwen!
Hi everyone! Hi, Sir MJ! Long time no see.
Question, Gwen. Yung hair mo ba talaga dati ng short?
Akala ko kasi nakaganon siya ngayon.
Hindi naman. I'm just curious. Lagi talaga siyang short.
Opo,
Oh,
it's
Big
been
Brother,
5
Philippines version
years.
of
Big
5
Brother.
long
Like, you
years.
show us
Yeah.
Gwen
Pero
was
merong ano yan,
this
dati
one.
mahaba
Yeah,
yan.
okay, okay.
Mahaba po siya.
Up to
Oh,
there.
she had it that long?
Like, mahaba dito talaga.
okay.
Pero before PBB, hindi pa ako nag-showbiz. Si Mama gusto talaga short hair ako, may bangs. So marami na akong photos before kahit bata pa ako, like as in bata pa.
Okay.
May
Not gonna
bangs
lie to you
talaga
guys,
ako, tsaka short hair.
When I saw it, we watched,
So, no,
what was it,
I'm sure
Beanie Fest?
emotional ka nung kinat
Right?
yan.
When I saw Gwen's hair, like the way that she had it in Beanie Fest, oh my goodness.
Medyo, yes.
Okay,
Hindi
okay.
kasi first time ko magpa-long hair ng sobrang haba
Okay.
nung sa PBB. Kasi
Okay.
ako talaga yung may gusto ng long hair. Ako talaga yung umay na sa short hair noon kasi si Mama nga po gusto like short hair, may
Right.
bangs. Sabi ko, gusto ko magpahaba.
Right.
Kasi ang tagal kong pinahaba, tapos biglang super short.
I know. Who decided na super
Yo.
short?
The management.
Okay. And but did you like it? I know. Who decided na super short?
It's the management.
Okay. And but did you like it?
Okay lang naman po since, well, sanay na din naman ako na ganun. But yes. okay
Even the
lang.
color?
Color before, wala po akong color before
Okay.
actually. Parang black lang na short hair. Ngayon
Okay.
lang ako nagpakulay nung, anong era ba? Parang karera era po.
Mm.
ako.
Okay. Anong saktong kulay niyan?
Ginger po siya.
Ginger.
Ang dami
Okay.
pong pinagdaanan
Yeah,
ng
no.
buhok ko, Sir MJ.
Oh,
Bakit?
God.
Bakit? Bakit?
Mali-mali yung kulay.
Hindi makuha yung perfect color.
Hindi talaga as in.
Struggling out here, chat.
Sobrang lala. Syempre hindi ako pwede mag-post. Kaya, pero sobra. Grabe.
Pero
as
it
in.
looks good, ha?
Ngayon po, okay na siya.
Okay. Pero, aware ka ba na people look at you, may impression na parang model-like ka?
I mean, let's not bring up
Nababasa ko
the
po
recent red
sa
carpet that we got
social
to
media, tsaka
witness,
sa comments din
that we
minsan
were
sa
blessed
photos
with.
ko.
Okay,
Okay.
all 8 of them came walking out looking phenomenal. Gwen.
Parang ganun, gawin. Ako din eh.
Hmm?
Yes, no joke. Para ang side pa nila, iniisip daw nila pwede ka dun sa
I still
mga
think
fashion week in
Beanie
Paris,
Beanie
Milan.
Sana.
Beanie and
May
Dior,
ganung
Beanie
dream
and
ka ba
Dior
before
would
to be a
Opo,
model?
meron talaga. Oh my gosh.
Oo.
Beanie and Dior
So
would be
before,
insane.
nagmo-modeling naman ako.
Okay.
Pero baguhan lang po ako talaga.
Okay.
Like, wala pa masyadong experience. Kasi,
Mhm.
pumasok ako ng PBB 15.
Okay.
So, siguro nag-start ako late na ako eh. Kasi more on singing ako before nung bata ako. So, hindi talaga model. Wala yan. Hindi ko nakita sarili ko noon na mag-model ako. May ganun,
Right.
ano pala ako.
Right.
Siguro mga 13. Ganun lang po ako nag-start. So, mga ilang years pa lang din. So,
Oo.
baguhan lang po talaga and super bata pa. Kasi, hindi talaga yung bihasa talaga. Hindi
Right.
naman.
Pero ngayon, kamusta? Parang medyo na-imbibe mo na yung ganon.
Mas gusto ko siya ngayon. I feel like yes. Kasi dito ko lang na, ano yun, parang mas nag-improve din. Kasi,
Right.
syempre,
Mas nahasa mo.
Opo. Well, some ramp, hindi masyado. Syempre, hindi naman
Okay.
nakakapag-ganon. Pero siguro in terms of like, sa photoshoots, kasi mas dito, mas maraming photoshoots sa
Right.
mga ganap namin.
Right,
Opo.
right. Kasi, ang ganda nung collarbone, di ba? Saka yung pagkapayat mo.
Oh, let's go.
It's a model-like payat. eh.
Yo,
Oo.
I'm telling you.
Pero dream mo ba mag-Paris Fashion Week? Okay.
Yo, let's
my
manifest that
Example,
right
may
now.
nag-invite
Okay,
sa'yo na
please, yo.
rumampa sa isang fashion show.
Oh
Would
my
you accept
gosh.
it?
Ugh.
Yes, I
Paris fashion show. Oh my gosh. Am I literally
Well.
meaning
In a
or
heartbeat?
literally getting
Yes, I will. Pero
this case
siguro
Quinn's
kakabahan
walk is
ako
out
kasi
of practice?
feeling ko inaamag na yung ano
I have to agree. I love Gwen's laugh too. Yeah.
ko.
Yung lakad?
Yung lakad ko, wala.
Pero di ba sabi nila, Gwen, minsan yung lakad na medyo weird tignan, yun pa yung parang medyo...
Sa bagay. Actually, well, sa panahon ngayon, nakikita ko nga, like, sa mga videos, doon na lang ako nag-ano eh.
Right.
Sobrang iba na yung, like, sa ramp. Noon, di ba, parang may certain standards.
Right.
Tapos ngayon, parang, iba-iba na siya. Kahit weird yung ano gawin mo, okay na siya. The weird, the better. Parang ganun
Actually,
yung nakikita
parang
ko.
more unique kapag ganun di ba? Okay, so aside from modeling, ano pa yung mga naiisip mong gusto mong gawin?
Gusto kong gawin. Siguro mag-act, pero sobrang di ako marunong. Like,
Okay.
wala po talaga.
Yun yung
Pero
something na
curious
gusto
lang
mong
ako.
i-explore.
Opo, yes.
Okay.
Pero alam kong wala pa akong...
Like
Pero gusto
drama?
kong
I would love to
i-try.
be in a comedy. I would love to be in a comedy. Model. Okay.
Drama, or I don't know. Hindi ko ba alam.
Right. Who do you look up to?
Si Miss Janela. Ang galing niya umarte.
Janela?
Opo,
Salvador?
Janela Salvador.
Oh,
Very
wow.
versatile.
Wow. Gusto mo maka-eksena if ever?
Siya. And siguro, si Miss Sarah G, ang galing din yung umarte.
Iba din yan.
Ang galing niya. Like,
Oo.
syempre, performer. Tapos, nung nakita ko yung mga acting.
I wanted to read that.
Movies, no? Anong favorite mong movie niya?
Yung,
Where's
ano
her-
kaya? Ang dami
With John Lloyd ba yan?
Who magically transforms back into her. Oh, yo, hey, hold on. Can I go back to you? Hold on. Can I transform back into my 20s?
Yung may dog.
Yung may dog, iba rin siya.
Iba rin yun,
Pero Miss
oo.
Granny, napanood ko rin
Oh,
yun.
magaling siya
Yes.
doon.
Galing
Super,
niya.
oo.
Oo, ang galing niya. Kasi yung character, anyway, yun.
Right. So, pero
Ooh.
ano yung parang love na love mo ngayon more? Singing? Or performing? Or
Love these
being a
questions.
model? Or
Modeling, okay, but of
parang
course.
what ways?
Hala, ang hirap naman nun. Na-enjoy ko rin super yung modeling. Pero syempre,
Iba talaga
Right?
yung performance.
Yeah, right?
Pero kasi I'm curious ako. Ito gusto ko talagang tanungin.
You transform.
Iba
Exactly.
ka now compared to being on stage, ha?
Mm?
Parang nag-ano ka. Parang ganun si Sarah G, eh. Nagta-transform siya. Parang
galing siya.
off stage para siyang mabait.
I like that. Beast
I mean,
mode.
mabait
Yeah,
siya,
yeah, yeah,
quiet,
yeah.
Pero pag nasa stage na, di ba? Beast mode na si Sarah. Ikaw, ganun din nakikita ko sa'yo. Parang may ganong switch ka.
Ay, salamat.
Hindi
alam.
Are you confirming it na may ganong switch ka? Pag nag-on stage ka, nagiging ibang ano ka?
Hello?
Ano ko ba? Hindi
Hello?
parang, ewan ko, parang kusa lang siya like pag
That's how you know it's real
Right.
because she
Right.
it just comes
Automatic
natural,
na
right? Like
lang
it's nothing that she does per se, right? Like you know, like Felix.
feedback nila. Ganun pala.
Uh-uh.
Pero ako mismo, hindi
Hell
ko rin
no, we get rid of diets.
napansin.
Okay.
I
ito
forget to
naman.
eat all the
What's your
time.
diet? Do you have a diet?
Ay, wala naman
Ay, wala.
po. Opo. Though minsan nakakalimutan namin kumain. In general. Like, sa sobrang busy
Yun na yung
kasi.
diet, no?
Opo, yun. Pero wala naman kaming strict diet.
Rice
po.
is life,
Hindi kasi
facts.
how do you maintain that body, di ba? Parang, or minsan ang cardio nila is the performance.
Me
and
too.
Yes, yung mga ginagawa po
Okay,
namin.
What's
okay,
your favorite
okay.
food? Your
I've never
comfort
had
food?
matcha before, but
Ah, talaga? Flavor?
Matcha and vanilla.
Okay. Grabe naman. Buti hindi naapektuhan yung boses mo pag kumakanta.
Hindi naman po. Parang
Oo.
sabi nila depende din talaga sa
Mm.
tao.
Right.
May ibang na-affect, yung iba hindi naman.
Right. Okay. When was the last time kang kinilig?
Kinilig?
Ooh.
Sa K-drama, movie.
Ah, talaga?
Mga random.
Goblin,
movie.
yes!
Napanood mo? What's your favorite kilig K-drama?
I'm telling you guys
Hala, ang
right
dami ko
now,
napanood.
Talaga?
Goblin is.
Pero siguro,
I watch Goblin
Goblin.
at least
Parang ilang
once a
beses mo
year.
siyang
Once a year, I
pinapanood.
replay Goblin and watch it all the way through. I spend, a week just sitting there and just watching Goblin for the whole week. I'll watch 1 or 2 episodes, 3 episodes a night or whatever, and just relive that wonderful experience. Like, I love Goblin so much. It is one of my favorite dramas. It's one of the first dramas I ever watched. And yes. Guardian, yeah.
So, fan ka ng mga K-drama?
Ay, iba na talaga.
Ano na?
Hindi na Goblin. English na.
Oo.
Hindi ko sure kung... The Guardian. Po. Baka di
Uh-huh.
post.
So, ma-K-drama ka.
Yep,
Opo.
I binge watch. I'm a binge
Lately,
watcher.
Ang hirap na. Kasi ayoko manood ng K-drama na busy ako. Kasi
Napaputol.
binge watch. Ganun ako. Gusto ko dire-diretso. So, di pwede.
Kaya siguro doon ka na-inspired to...
Baka.
na rin, ano?
Baka.
Baka. Okay, so last question. How do you see yourself, let's say, 10 years from now?
10 years from now? Alam nyo, napapressure nga ako sa buhay ko.
Talaga?
Kaya hindi ko talaga alam.
Hindi ka parang nag-a-advance mag-isip. You take it day by day na lang. Parang ganun.
Opo. Pero sa ngayon, ewan ko. Sobrang nag-overthink ako sa future ko, kaya hindi ko alam.
Okay. So, instead of asking you 10 years from now, siguro ano na lang yung parang
Gwen,
long-term
I love it.
goal ni Gwen?
Oh my gosh.
Long-term goal.
Parang
Oh my gosh.
own business.
Yes. Long-term goal.
Parang
Oh my gosh.
own business. A
Yes.
fashion line.
Sky's the limit.
Yes. Hala, ang dami. Ang dami ko
dami.
naiisip. Yes, business. Kasi parang yun yung,
Right.
like, mas masusustain yung ano ko.
That's right.
And, ayun, yung mga ganun, siguro makeup, kasi mahilig ako sa makeup.
Oh, talaga?
Gusto ko, pero di ko alam saan ako magsisimula. Pero
Parang
gusto
sarili
ko
mong
pa rin
cosmetic
siya.
line.
Yes, kasi mahilig pa ako mag-makeup talaga.
Oh.
Pero di ko pa napaplano or anything. And ano pa ba? Gusto kong,
Asian
ano
locations.
rin, like, tumira ulit sa province.
Ay, talaga?
Kasi probinsyana ako.
Bicol, right?
Opo.
So,
Ewan ko ba, parang sobrang ano ko talaga sa province.
gusto mong bumalik? Parang a rest house?
Ganun.
Diba?
What
May
island?
ganon. Okay, last question na, sorry, pahabol na lang talaga to.
What island?
If you will be trapped in an island,
Ay!
sino yung gusto mong makasama? You will be trapped in an island.
Ay!
Sino
What
yung
island?
gusto mong makasama?
Ang hirap naman
Oh,
yun.
okay.
Isa lang. Yung feeling mo, makakasundo mo, makakasurvive kayo pareho.
Sa Bini.
Anywhere.
Kahit sino.
Kahit sino. Except family, of course.
Yun na nga eh. Shucks, sino
I don't have many
kaya?
friends either.
Siguro. Wala akong masyadong ano dito, friends din eh. Bini lang.
Okay, so sige, sabihin.
Sabihin na si Joanna. Yes, dyan siya ngayon.
That is, and you know, okay,
Kasi leader
okay.
namin siya.
Oh, no.
Tsaka may comedy ka na, may ano ka pa.
Oh, it
like,
ends right here?
May maglilid
No.
sa'yo.
Right.
where it
The
ends?
Survivor.
Oh, that's where it ended? Like 10 seconds, right? Come on. Nah, these interviews were so much fun, chat. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Friends din eh. Bini lang.
Okay, diba?
Yes.
Thanks, Gwen!
Thank you po. Ka na, may ano ka pa, like, may maglilid sa'yo.
Right.
Shout out Poppy
The
Sub.
Survivor
Shout out Poppy
skills,
Sub.
eh, diba?
That was fun.
Thanks, Gwen!
But we did watch
Thank
batch
you po.
one for like a couple weeks. So it was nice seeing these interviews. I loved these interviews. Again, it was like being able to sit and it was like two friends, like talking and just catching up type of thing. And then you also get to learn a little bit more about them individually. So I really like as much as I love Beanie's group interviews, I love equally as much they're like when they doing interviews solo. You know? So yeah, no, this was fun. Had a blast. But all right. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.